Greetings from AIBD, and I take this personal moment to thank all the members of Asia Pacific Institute for Broadcasting Development and the partners coming from all across the world. I'd love to thank all of you for taking the effort to come and join us in the 19th Asia Media Summit held in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. Now, the summit, I must say, is a resounding success. We saw more than 500 people gather to commemorate and celebrate Media, the New Odyssey. And definitely it's a new odyssey. And the deliberations that we had must have culminated into many new ideas for most of you. For many of us who are sitting at the brink of the crossroad of multi-platforms, let us not be fearful. Rather, let us embrace the change that multi-platforms offer. For me, content is still king. And I think that whatever we have discussed results in the culmination of even greater content. Now, through the content showcase, which actually showcased multiple productions from all across the region, actually portrayed the diversity and the creativity of program makers in this region. And I hope that we will continue this trend of creating great content, deliberating on the new innovation that's happening around the globe with regards to media, and at the same time, not forgetting the ethics and the journalism standards of broadcasting. Now, there was a deep cry for action on fake news and disinformation in particular. Now, this is something so important, but this can only be controlled, or awareness can only be created through the work of media. Media, therefore, as the fourth estate of democracy, should uphold the principle, the very principle that it was formed to bring greater awareness to the people and to report only the truth and nothing but the truth. So I hope that this few days of deliberation on Media, the New Odyssey, with multiple training activities and also a fantastic partnership with the International Telecommunications Union on creating STEM awareness among young people, and also 2 days of the conference had resulted in great takeaways and great knowledge sharing. What we need now, ladies and gentlemen, is actually knowledge and the ability to share it with all members across the region. So once again, I take this opportunity to thank you for coming to Kuala Lumpur. Some of you joined us online. Thank you. And to all the speakers and to all the prominent figures who attended the Asia Media Summit, thank you. And we hope to see you in Cambodia in 2025. Thank you.